Hey, what's up, you guys? I actually made a mistake. We're actually on John Street right now, and that's where we wanted to be. This crossing you have to make a stop at because, well, this crossing is really dangerous because it's right by a school. So, anyways, let's carry on. Here's the stop sign. There's the crossbuck. As I thought it was weird that they mounted the stop sign on a separate pole instead of putting it on the crossbuck. Anyway, here's the dot tag, which is 179989V. It's hard to see on camera because the sun's in my eyes. There we go. And here's an old ancient Wisconsin Central dot tag, which is, again, that's ancient. That way's facing west. That goes toward Railroad Street, which we'll do next. And then let's get over to the other crossbuck. This road's not too busy, so we don't have to run, which is nice. And then over here at the other crossbuck we go. Alright, here's the stop sign. Okay. And here's the crossbuck. There's some bikers coming, so I may have to be quiet for a minute. Oh. Alright. And then here's the dot tag, which is 179989B. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. And then here's a old Wisconsin Central dot tag. As you can see, it's ancient too. Alright. And as you can see, the crossing grade is an old paved grade. This one is in pretty sad condition, which I don't know why CN uses these yet. But anyways, down there is facing County N, which is where we were before. That seems like a long ways from here, but it's really not. And then, like I said, that was facing west toward Railroad. There's a car coming, so we're gonna have to wait. So anyway, that's the John Street crossing. Not much to share here either. All right, I'll see you guys on Railroad.